Whoa, look at what we have here. So this is the sandbox engine. And this is like a dev preview. Interesting. So, in this video, I'm hoping to take another look at the sandbox game engine because I took one look like a while ago. I can't exactly remember how long ago, and I liked the look of it. I liked it. And then after that video went out, I started to use it a bit more and then found out that I was not a huge fan of the UI system because the UI required a lot of coding in order to just display things like on the screen. But now, I want to take another look at it, and I actually want to see if I can actually make something with it. So first of all, I'm guessing this is the hub, right? Okay, so that's the hub. So games, maps. Okay, so these are all of the games that have been made, right? Servers. Okay, so my question is, how do you like go into the editor engine thing? Okay, we've got the settings over here. So video mode exclusive, okay, and right, game, right, keybinds, no, okay, developer, quit. How'd you get to the editor? Hang on a minute, de-explore sandbox. New get. So, okay, welcome to de-explore, a sandbox creative experience from the foundation of DXRP. Okay, this is a sub-game tested of so what is new game? Okay, so this is seemingly like Roblox in a way. But how do you get to the engine though? I mean, okay, this is the games, so can you make one? Or are you not able to make one anymore? Wait, so that's are you literally just not able to make a game anymore? I mean, okay, what is DXRP then? DXRP, I'm guessing RP means roleplay, right? In Reimagine, for everyone, this is an alpha build, stuff will break, pictures are missing. It's basically whatever you want it to be. Build elaborate contraptions of start a criminal empire. So, roleplay for sandbox, okay? Play?
One eternity later.
Alright, so we're finally here, everybody. You don't even want to know how long that took to get through that loading screen. That took a while. Okay, so you must be
Hello.
wait, is he using my mic? Except, sure. Here are the rules. Okay. Wait, this is. Wait, okay, you know what? Settings. Is it actually using my microphone? Is that actually what's happening? I don't think so.
IO volts.
Literally. Oh my.
Could you do me a favor? Equals.
I don't even know how to. How do I type? Wait, chat. Okay. Sure.
3.
Oh my god, this is weird. What is even happening?
Could you turn gun dealer and sell me a shipment? I'm I need some firepower.
I'm just gonna say, this is my
I need a medic help.
my first time, so I shall politely
Svensk.
refuse.
A.
Or decline, that's it.
This is my first time, so I shall politely decline.
Jesus Christ. You know what?
But I need a medic.
You need to, well, I need to make a game. I apologize to that person who I was speaking to in the game. But, like, I thought that DXRP would be going into the editor engine, but I don't. Okay, so that's DX Aura, that's Face Punch, that's new game. So okay, so max players 1. You know what? Private. Let's just go for private. So sure, start game, sure. And here we are, I guess. I mean, okay, this definitely does play like Garry's mod now, which is what this is. I think this is like aiming to do, to like be a spiritual successor to Garry's mod. And to be fair, it kind of feels like that in a way. Oh. It is not gonna break. How do I wait? Do I have physics tool? Use tool. Remove. What do you mean remove? Wait, what? Remove. How do I? How do I do anything? You know what? I'm gonna use a USP because that's insane. That's really loud. Okay, so jump down, and I do lose health. Okie dokie. So yeah, this does feel like it's wait, hang on. Is that like this looks 3D. That looks what the hell? So this looks like mega scans rather than normal maps, because normal maps is it looks 3D but it's not 3D, but yeah, mega scans are 3D. So okay, that's sandbox. Okay, so create and play in your own. But you can't. What sandbox? At least what I played, you were able to like use C# coding to, you know, like script objects, bring objects in, do like animations and stuff. But this feels a lot just like Garry's mod. So I'm confused. Like, don't get me wrong, like this is actually a pretty cool hub area for like everything to be here. It's pretty dope. But these are just things that you can play and download and play. But like again, how do you make a game? I was playing S&box for the first time. Thank you for telling me that. Wait, hang on. Are you? So I have been downloading and installing the entire time of Sandbox, not the editor. I will admit that it's kind of infuriating how I'm discovering it this way. Okay, so this is the screen I was... After all this time! You know what, screw it, I'm just gonna keep absolutely everything in the video, like screw it, like I don't care. This is a live reaction and you're all gonna get it. So, we've got game tester here, so that was the thing that I created before. Can I like delete it? Remove, I mean sure, yeah, delete it. Like, I don't really need it. So, new project, game minimal, the bare minimum required to create a game, and you want to make a map or model, you want to make a map for Walker? What does Walker mean? I kind of wish, wait, hang on, is there like a... Come on. Information? Literally right here, information? Isn't that what the notification, isn't that what the icon next to it is meant to mean? It's information. I require information? You know what, I guess we'll just go for game minimal then, like, see how that goes. Create git, set as default project location. Yes, sure, let's just do that, sure. Okay, we are now in the editor, finally. So, first of all, okay, we've got the camera, we've got the, we have 3 cubes and a plane, and I guess, yeah, collider, all of them have colliders, great, that's fantastic. Right, so, plus, first of all, before absolutely anything, I'm gonna go to UI, screen. Okay, so we've got screen. Let's just call this, I don't know, just UI. Call it UI. So screen panel. Okay, so that's opaque, scale. I'm gonna keep that as 1 for now. Zindex. Oh, Z index, right. Add component. UI. Screen panel, I guess? Oh, okay, we already have a screen panel, okay, so just, yeah, remove that one, okay. So, UI... What do I even do with this? Wait, is this thing right here, right? This is the UI. I guess that is... Okay, so UI panels... pick... I don't... Okay. I don't... So, okay. How do you do, like, UI? I mean, can I do anything else of you? No, it's literally just screen UI. Can't really do much of that, though. Okay, so I just had to actually look this up myself. And I will admit, whilst this is trying to appeal to people like more easily to create a game in, and you know, be like an easy game engine, because of the way that it works like this, especially when it comes to UI, I just think it's extremely confusing. I mean, of course, it's going to be confusing at first, and the more you use it, the less confusing it gets. But at first, it gets really confusing because, okay, so we've got the UI object over here, which is the UI screen, not the world one. Add component over here, and we just have to do new component. And we're going to call this one, I don't know, test UI, and new. I assume that if this was on another object, it would just be, actually, I want to test this out. So let's just go ahead, go over to like a cube, and let's just make sure all of these are collapsed. So we do new component. Okay, so it's the same. So I guess new simple component means script, like C# script. Wait, okay, you know what? Let's put like random script. Let's just try that, and then new simple component. C#. Okay, so CS means C#. Okie dokie. So that's what that means. Okie dokie. So UI, and let's do razor. Yeah, let's call it test UI. Okay, so now it's saved into there. So code editor, Visual Studio not installed using default. But I don't want to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, so instead I've got Rider, JetBrains Rider. I don't know if it will work well with the coding of Sandbox editor, but we've got it. And so property text area, wait, hang on. So hello world. So public string, my string value. Yeah, that's what it's called. Can I just like, I don't know, remove that and just call it like equals? Can I like, is that fine? I mean, it looks fine. Yeah. So okay, so that works well, and that's a public string, which makes sense. Also, what is property text area? Wait, okay, so I'm gonna wait, is it okay? So that's commented it out. Okay, so let's just copy that and then put it underneath and then save that. Huh. Okay, so interesting. It doesn't actually make it. Well, okay. What if you do serialized object? I don't. So compile error. Okay, so serialized property. Is that fine? Are you? So I don't know why. Okay. So you know what? Keep it like that. Then I don't really know what property. Okay, so property in class property attribute. Okie dokie. And this one is text area attribute when applied to a string, show a multi-line text box instead of a single line. So, okay, if I take that out, okay, so I'm assuming that if you want it to be shown in your inspector, then you make a property. So, okay, if I do property, no, that's wrong type of property. If I do property public bool my boolean my boolean, why not, is equal to true. So try that. Aha! Okay, so I'm learning it. Also, what does it say? What does it mean here? Protected override int build hash. See, like, this would definitely work if. Wait, I just realized we've also got div class. Oh my CSS, my nightmare. I mean, look, I've done CSS and HTML work for like websites, but when doing it for a game. To be fair, that's pretty good, I think. Because to be fair, like, whilst I have tried to do an HTML and CSS website, I did feel like I couldn't really gamify it. So maybe this will scratch the itch, maybe. Oh wait, hang on. The hash determines if the system should be rebuilt. If it changes, it will be rebuilt. So if I comment this out, does it even matter? Does it matter if it's like, is it? I'm assuming that isn't necessary, otherwise it wouldn't be there, right? I'm assuming it's necessary. My boolean does not match rule instance fields not private. Suggested name is what? My boolean does not match the rule instance fields. Suggested name is my boolean. Oh, wait. Okay, so my is that fine? In-word boolean. Okay, so that seems to be. So the suggested way is to make all of the words the first letter capital. Okay. I mean, you know what, so far my goal for this video was to try and like actually make something, but I don't even know how I'm gonna put this to. Okay, hang on. So save this, I guess, and then play it. Hello world. Okay, so but it's only just displaying that. Wait, does it need to be? Wait. Create. Okay. World. Okay, so just call it world. Why not? And let's just cut and then paste. Paste. There we go. So, try that. What about, wait, okay, so it's literally right there. Okay, so I guess bring it over, so 90, okay, and then bring over to here maybe. Is it even in, it's not even in the view. Whoops, right. There we go, okay, try that. You can't even see it. Then again, would it actually be, wait, look at camera. Can you actually, look, wait. If I bring it closer, okay, so it does work that way, but why? Okay, you wouldn't really want to attach the world UI to your camera all the time. You wouldn't really want to do that. That's not really like the most efficient way to do that. So, you know what? I'm going to give this a rest, and I might try this out in my own time. Like I said at the end of my previous sandbox video, that I would try this out in my own time. I'm going to try this out in my own time. I probably won't get anywhere, but the only thing I will say is that I don't think it's like the best approach to make something appeal to people who want to get into game dev. So, I mean, when it comes to the UI, it's strictly code-based. But I'm assuming that if we have a random cube, for example, and let's just go for, I think it's called like actions invoke. Wait, is that, wait. Okay, so actions invoker, so okay, so unenabled. So action graph. So that's the action graph. So what if like it's collided with something though? Okay, so collider box. So is not is trigger, okay. But there's no like there's no like on collision though, which is annoying. You know what? I think, yeah, I'm just gonna leave this alone for now at least. I've recorded for almost an hour now, but most of that was just because of the sandbox app rather than the sandbox engine, editor, whatever you like to call it. But yeah, I really wanted to try and make something, but yeah, with the UI system, definitely not favorable in my opinion. I don't know why they chose to go this route. Maybe it's probably easier on their part, I'm not entirely sure, but it just sucks how you have to have like HTML and CSS involved. It's not, okay, it's not like the worst thing ever, of course. It's just a different approach, and not one that I'm particularly a fan of. But you know what, if people like it and if people can get behind it, awesome. I just am going to kind of struggle to. But anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.